To keep the suction strong and your vacuum working efficiently, make sure to regularly clean the filters and clean the brush roll of your cordless vacuum. It is recommended to maintenance your unit at least once a month. The hand vacuum has pre-motor foam filters and a post-motor HEPA filter. To use the handheld vacuum, simply press the hand vacuum release button to detach. You can manually empty the hand vac dust cup if needed before maintenance. Simply detach the hand vacuum and bring it to the trash. Press the dust cup empty button and then the dust cup lid will drop open, releasing debris. Once all debris are removed from your dust cup, press the dust cup release button on the bottom right of your hand vacuum to separate your dust cup and your hand vacuum. Once separated, place each part on a flat surface. Next, proceed to remove the 2 foam filters from your dust cup and place them on a flat surface. Finally, remove the HEPA filter from the hand vacuum and place this part on a flat surface. Now that all of your filters are separated from your cordless vacuum, you can begin cleaning. Make sure to thoroughly rinse each filter with water only. These filters will need to dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting them back into the hand vacuum. Once completely dry, you may insert the foam filters back into your dust cup, starting with the thickest filter. The HEPA filter can be reinserted into the hand vacuum at this time as well. Lastly, reattach your dust cup to your hand vacuum. Once connected, you can insert the hand vacuum back onto the wand and continue cleaning. To access the brush roll of your PowerPro, first detach the nozzle from the wand and place it on a flat surface. Next, proceed to push the brush roll removal button and slide the brush roll out of the nozzle. Once removed, proceed to pull off any hair or debris that may have wrapped around your brush roll. After you have removed all the obstructions on the brush roll, you may reinsert it back into the nozzle until you hear a click. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.